We will meet again in a green meadow or the blue lagoon, in sunshine or rain pour. Go hither, shout your name through the mountains, through the valleys, let the echo roar. We will meet again, but for now, like a free bird, soar. We will meet again someday, in the green valley or the blue sea, in sun's heat or wet of rain's pour. Go forth, scream your name, over the hilltops, through the canyons, let the sound echo and roar. We will meet again, I know it, but until then, like a free bird, soar.